In a quiet library, Alex sneezed loudly, startling everyone. "Bless you," whispered a voice from behind a bookshelf. Alex replied, "Thanks, but I think I just evicted a dust bunny family." The librarian frowned. "Keep it down, or you'll sneeze us into a new dimension." Alex chuckled. "Imagine sneezing into a world where dust bunnies rule." A fellow reader added, "And they make us sneeze to clean their homes." Everyone giggled, picturing tiny bunnies with vacuums. Alex sneezed again. "Oops, there goes another family." The library erupted in laughter, proving sneezes can clear more than just noses.